Hey guys, this is how to enable two-factor authentication for Gmail account. So first thing that you will do is of course go to google.com, and from here just click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, and from here just simply go for manage your Google account, and from here just go ahead and go to security, and from here guys you'll be able to see here two-step verification. And after that, you can just click on turn on two-step verification over here. And then down below, you will have multiple options to turn on your Google authentication. It's either be passkeys and security keys. You can choose Google Prompt, Authenticator app, or you can just go for phone number, or you can just go for backup codes. So it will be depending on you. And when you go for a specific method, let's say I'm going to go for Authenticator app, as you can see, you will have here set up Authenticator, and after that you will have a guide over here on how to set it up. So guys, each method will have a guide, so just simply select the method that you prefer, and then from there you'll be able to turn on your Google Authenticator or your two-factor authentication into your Google account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.